is very excited to IDE 2025. And hi, I am architect Sumit Pal, co-founder and principal architect of Artraj Architect. We are come from the land of God, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, and we are working in this field last 8 years, and we are provided the interior architecture and the turnkey solution in the whole project, residential, commercial, and institutional spaces. Thank you.
Okay, so what inspires your design approach and how would you describe your design philosophy?
Our design approach is very simple. We are working with the atmosphere, and it is a very main aim for the client to provide the better environment to the living lifestyle. And our philosophy is too simple. We are working at create a timeless design. Uh, that is meaning is very important for the role of is an interior design.
Okay, so how do you collaborate with clients to ensure their vision aligns with your design concepts?
Uh, we are talking about of the alignment of the client. It is a very in-depth working with the client to understand their needs and the value and requirement. It is the basic amenities, and we are working with them alignment in sketches and provided them to the 3D views, renders, and visualizations.
Okay, so what advice would you give to the aspiring architects and designers?
We are giving the aspiring architect to the simply create follow the design principle and create a timeless design and follow the design principle that creates the fantastic design.
Okay, so what are some common challenges that you face in your work and how would you typically address it?
Common challenges in this field, it is the creative vision to balance with the client budget, and we are working them to provide it the convenient and economical material selections and collaborate their values.
Okay, so could you highlight one or two key projects that you have worked on and recently made them stand out?
Recently, we are working the Anant Villa. It is our client is US based client. They need a simple to their home is follow form function and the design principle and the contemporary architecture. We are working the all new techniques. We have provided them to the design passive designs formalities and all.
Okay, so what emerging trends do you see shaping the future of architect and design?
Future of architecture is to be simple. Follow the basic principles of the design, harmony, balancing, and the basic form follow function rules of the. Uh, then take the provided them to the client. Listen to the client and follow them.
Okay, thank